Okay, friends, so you are working in Canvas today because you have chosen to draw on the computer for your found object artwork. So instead of what we normally do, we normally click on New Drawing. We're not going to click the blue button today. Today we're going to click the white button. But first, this says New from Image. So first we have to find a picture of an object. And I suggest the egg. Right click, which is two fingers on the trackpad, and click Save Image As. And then you'll rename it. You can rename it Egg and click the blue button. Now, when you go to Canvas, you can click New from Image, find your picture, and open. Now, your job is to draw around the egg. Okay, so you're incorporating the egg into your drawing. Maybe the egg is a nose for a koala bear, or maybe your egg is a narwhal, or maybe your egg is cracking open and you have a little dinosaur arm coming out and a tail coming out of the back. This is your choice. Okay, friends, so once you have finished adding your drawing and incorporating the egg in some way, then you are all done and it's time to put your drawing on Seesaw. Now, remember that um, you are trying to focus on storytelling, right? Or you can start your process and say, first I drew the people, and then I drew the gold, and then I drew the blue strings, right? That's a process. But telling a story is like, so all these people one day found a giant egg, and when they cracked it open, it was filled with gold. And so they had to come up with a way to crack through the really hard shell. So they used giant hammers to crack the shell. And then people would hang from these long strings and they would pull the gold out and roll it down a ladder into a bag. And then people would walk away with all of the gold. Okay, that's a story, right? The first one was process. This is a story. When you're all done, you click the dot, dot, dot at the top for your menu. Select the top one that says Save as Image. It will download, and then you can upload it into Canva. And you are finished with your found object artwork on Canvas. You can also draw it on paper. This is how you can draw it on the computer.